Hey YouTubers, good to see you again. From now on, we have the perfect watching the murder drones all the year from 2021 until 2024.
I still feel nothing.
If you've never heard of it, think about these guys. Those are now look like robots. They call worker drones, but among others, they're mostly disassembly drones. Right now we have 4 of these disassembly drones between J, V, N, and Sin. And let's see what happens if I could voice these gender-bend versions of them. 3 of course instead of 4, but that would be fun anyway. So I just gotta reconsider this video because this is not official. It's just mostly a fan-made voice line of gender swap characters. So if you like this video or not, just click the link in the below description. Let's see how you guys like it, and make sure that's always a great thing. And I suggest you guys to leave a feedback. Let's see how it's going to work up. So, have a great day and have fun listening to my gender swap characters. Peace out.
You're worthless and terrible. And if the company allowed it, I would straight up kill you myself. Idiot, get out of here! Synergistically ability here must have tripped and knocked himself offline. Pervert bot! Hello? What, Anne? Am I dreaming? Or did you do something not useless for once? Way to go, Stuff! The company's gonna love this. With this colony wiped, we'll make top team this quarter for sure. You know what that means? Branded pins! Excuse me? No way, buddy. Questioning the company. You just finally gave me the excuse I needed. Worker drones are corrupted, and that's why the company sent us. I hate to see you corrupted as well. Noted traitor. We'll circle back after I right-size your existence. Well, the quality assured durability of JC Jensen products. You've got a lot of guts for a barely sentient toaster. I had prey fight back before, but your edgy spirit is just so hateful. For mother of company leadership betrayed! Equality partners? Move it, you perv. Hi, Teaser! Oh, no. Another one? Yet, here you are. Sorry, boss. Corporate spoken. This is unrelated layoff! How about this? Do your basement thing. We've got a coma patient you creeped on. Affected drones were cloned more. Boss ran away. That's why I'm trying to figure out, bozo. Step 1. Clear the drop of life and construct a spire. Step 2. Of course, boss. Right's gotta go, boss. Just say. Gah! Who are you, idiots? Yes, thank you, boss. Good as new. Yep, there's cool. Thanks. Alright, Sage and Mass. Time to go in the big scary planet. Whole thing. Oh! Gravity. Okay, I'm fine and calm. Go away! It's a senior informant. Oh, grow up, V. It tricked you. And if I promised anything, it tricked me too. You know, there's no escape, even in death! I promise it's better on a winning team as a team. Offer rescinded. And here I thought you'd step it up after Earth. Well, I never needed either of you. Oh, it's okay. I wasn't looking. Better to stay distant though, don't you think? And yet, I still feel nothing. Huh? Oh God, who are you? Yo, we got a worker out there. I kinda wanna practice balloon animal shapes with... What happened here? I've tried to get it past those doors for months. Nice work, Anne. These ventilation shafts can easily get us around this last door. Lowest body count heats a missile. Ew, what the hell? Oh, it's okay. I wasn't looking. That's weird and considering. I've never seen that symbol before. Want to do an autopsy to find out? Or you missed negotiations the human program does to solve a problem. Where's the proof of your backstory? The one where your kind's so conveniently innocent. I hate your personality normally, but this is somehow worse. What am I being punished for? Exactly. We shot the fabulous the purple one. Let us in, cause she has no friends. We kill everyone and pop her little head off. Promise me and that purple thing will stop prying to that stuff. If you free me now, I promise we'll only kill what we need to survive. Just you and me. What's best for you? And if you hate me for it. Yes, best friends. So easily manipulated. Haha, prom queen? Ugh, I can't kill everyone after. It's not vain, just extra sinister. Mine! Shut up, loser. What? She's fine. Just, a little tuckered out. Yeah, you suck. Literally didn't even taste that good. Yeah, I'm not doing okay. Nah, just full of love. This one's a pilot. Sabotage means Plan X. Tick-tock. You said this cam would help us catch that red-eyed doll freak. How about more explore? Let's watch from window creepy. Better stay distant though, don't you think? Since I'll have to kill you next. Anne's made friends with Rugs, by the way. He'll move on just fine. It didn't even kill everyone. Check this out. We do our jobs, and that thing leaves us alone. I'm not afraid. Do whatever you want. Killing him, not saving you. New body, same horrors, huh, Sin? I'll make sure you can't. You always take her side. Don't patronize me. Golden retrievers have. And? You little nerd! Get out of my head! Classic J? Anything to screw Sid's plan. More available. Heart, we're leaving. You said you could control the Sentinels. Do whatever you want. And what did she tell you? It's a trap! Don't! Ew. Did I get it? Hey, nah, Lucy. I trust you. Can't betray us that easy, nerd! Working with Sin? You live bit. You find Jay, just distract. We're supposed to get away, Jay. You said we do our jobs on this planet, and it leaves us alone. Oh, how about you bite me? In? You okay? It wasn't Tisa. It's Sin. She's here. And I don't know how much you remember, but Jay tricked us. Or it tricked Jay too. And I'm sorry. I should have been honest with you. I was just so scared for us. For you. I can still... Wrong team. Get back! It's her. Ugh, ow! Boo! Stop. You seem upset, twin sister, and perhaps you like to attend the gala with me. Light sip. Climbing crisscross applesauce. Am I not wanted? And giggle. I am so naughty. The flesh demands invitation. Sheepish nod. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. Seems Jay forgot to let me out of my basement. Time out again. Annoyed expression. They are not broken. We can no longer be thrown out. I have backups. You will not have to discard your pets, and I will not discard you. Best stay away from the gala, though. You seem squeamish. Jump scare. Grab. Better than ever, buddy. Let's reset these memories one more time. Well time, giggle. Tisa, remember you didn't have to say this. Son of a... Come on. Solver of the absolute fabric. Get a grip. Tantrum. Brain blast. Oh, V, could you use some help in here? Grab it. Just grab it. Grab it. Intimidating glare. The solver of the absolute fabric. The void. The exponential end. Cute false. Gross true. Let's just delete your OSS then. Goodbye, body. Execute. What is happening? Oh, don't mind me. I missed you, and you know, you're one of the main reasons I wanted your team to retain your personalities. You always surprise me. Loved doing anything. Thanks for clearing the way on this planet too. Let's eat. That's really sweet, twin sister. Too bad. You've served your purpose. Don't worry. Your backups will forgive me. Nori, you're dead angry. What? Oh yes, get a snuck on. Nick bite. Stab. It's been fun, and also that sarcasm. Honestly, I'm starving. Drop this, silly. Hello, Uzi. Hi, Ann. I see you will not talk to me because I have hurt your feelings. Easier to assimilate than explain anyway. Call back pain. Okay, you're first, eager beaver. Namian. Lick. Do your job and I'll leave you in Ann alone. Right, V? Bad job, V. Squirmy worm. God fuck damn it. I roll. Uzi's not here. Boring and annoying. Call back ping. Okay.
And there you go. The entire voice lines of Genderbend Disassembly drones were females is done. I'm not gonna lie though, my throat is kind of like sore from doing all the yelling, but water always helps. I like for different voice about this like aggressive things, especially Miyako's voice about fan-made Spanish Empire. If you were watching the same video, I hope this will be a perfect day a lot. So, have a great day guys, Didi Madlaba. The video is about to end right now. Nachwamdis. Bye. This is Junk Staria, signing off.